This is Deanna Lyons, and this is another installment in the Solopreneur series. Today, we're going to look at taxes. It's tax season and getting everything ready, and that can be a little overwhelming. So I thought we'd just do a little quick tapping on that and just alleviate any stress that might be coming up around that. So tap along with me. Even though it's tax season, and that's really stressful just thinking about all the things I need to do to get prepared for that. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Got to get all the receipts together. Got to figure out where everything is. It's time to organize it. I've been meaning to organize it all year. And here we are. Now it's time. I've got to get it all together. Maybe I could file an extension. But even if I file an extension, I still have to know what my estimated taxes are. So I may as well just get it done. I don't want to do it. I don't want to look at all of that. Boring. And it reminds me of what I spent all my money on. I wish I didn't have to do it. And I'm in business for myself. And doing taxes is part of it. And even if I don't like this part, it's still part of what I need to do. I don't have to like it. And I don't have to be overwhelmed by it either. I don't know anybody that likes taxes. Well, maybe people who prepare taxes, they like it. Then again, they probably get overwhelmed too. Just like a lot of things, one step at a time. I don't have to do it all at once, even though it feels like I do. Even though it feels overwhelming, it's still one step at a time. Taking it one step at a time. Before I know it, I'll have it all ready to go. I hope that helped a little bit. There's always more to tap on. And if you need to dig a little deeper, give me a call. Wishing you all the best.